Check them. I know they see. Oh, wow.
You had it behind her, right at her back. So even if she did not know. Oh, flick it back.
So the case is finished. No, Oyibo.
Okay, ga drag number. Ihe na-ekwu okwu ya maka ọdịnama obodo Nigeria. And asị na ụlọ ikpe a bụ ebe olileanya onye ọkpọrọ, yes, onye na-enweghị ike ma onye na-enweghị ego, ebe a ka ọ ga-abịa nweta justice. Biko, so ka nchekwube gị na ihe ndị ọkaikpe a ga-eme ebe a okwuchi ọgwụ. Ị na-eche na ha ga-eme ihe dị mma, na ha ga-eme ihe ndị okay, ndewo, ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma. Yes, sir. I can under. Thank you so much.
Sorry, can you address our audience in English? So.
I don't do these things. I keep quiet about this.
I know you keep quiet, but with exception here.
Yeah, well, because you didn't come into the court.
Yes.
Okay.
So we just want to know what obviously the case is finished now, but the viewers globally are wanting to know what exactly happened inside the court.
Well, it's a due process situation where all the appellants tendered their brief, adopted it, and where there was a need, they did some adumbration. Of course, the respondent also did adopt their briefs and also asked during adumbration for dismissal of the appeal. Now it's up to the 7 wise judges on the bench to go back and reflect on the merit of the issues that have been faced, that have been filed. It's a matter of national interest. I think the court is a court of law, but it's also a court of policy, and we expect that the highest stake on this matter would be upholding the Constitution of the Federal Republic, and I think that's what the issue is all about.
So do you have an idea when that judgment, I mean, there's not going to be any other sitting is going to be the judgment proper?
Yes.
Do you have any idea when Nigerians should be anticipating to have that judgment delivered?
No, I don't. They have not indicated, but I think going by the calendar and from what was said, they must finish the process, I believe, by the 5th of November. So I think something is going to happen between now and then. I don't have an idea. I'm not curious as to what,
Okay, that's fine. Thanks very much. That's Mr. Henry Obaze.
Osoloka Henry Obaze.
Osoloka Henry Obaze.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Why did you do that?
I'm interested in
yes, but it's good to do your work, but don't be rude about it. You don't stick a microphone. You don't speak a sticker in front of me. He asked me to speak.
But you would have come to this place.
Yes.
Instead of you blocking here.
So, sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Just also to take a perspective from you, what obviously you are with him in court. What actually happened in court?
Well, were you not in the court?
No, we weren't allowed inside the court.
Well,
so you tell us what happened.
Just in summary,
yes,
everybody, APC, Labour Party, and I presented their cases,
yeah,
and we are all happy based on our presentations from our lawyers. And in summary, we are waiting, and the victory is ours, inshallah.
So since we are not in court, please pardon me to ask this question.
Yeah.
There was this issue of the PDP bringing more evidence. Was that evidence admitted today? Are you aware?
Well, I don't think it was 100% admitted.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. So, people, we are still at the Supreme Court, people. So, just hoping to get to know what more of what happened now. So, I think most of the people to speak are actually gone. So, everyone, we will be calling it a day. We have done our best today. So, for
None of the parties from the People Council actually spoke to the
no, they didn't speak to the press.
They said perhaps they will do so after the judgment. It's been a very high energy level here today. Tempers fled, and Nigerians actually were disappointed, especially those who were not allowed actually to get into the court. So this is what we see in this country. This is what keeps happening at every stage of our national life. We've been one roadblock or the other. We've been one injustice or the other. But we are hoping that at the end of this, Nigerians will decide how to proceed.
So sorry, everyone. We are now trying to leave the court, and on that note, we will be taking our leaves now. So, as they said, we are waiting for a date for that to be the judgment to be given. So, people, join us as we. So let's get more legal. Let's get more legal perspective. You don't want to? Okay.
Let them give their judgment. On judgment day, you will get all kind of perspective.
But at least I wanted. There is one there.
You can see the truth is. Chairman happens. The truth is, you can see that you can't tell the rule of the court. Simply how
But I'm actually interested in knowing if PDP's extra submission was adopted. In terms of evidence.
taking everything, but they will not rule. They rule on the last day.
Okay, they will rule on the last day.
Whether it was properly before them. But all the arguments have been taken
Yes.
from PDP on the deposition issue.
Yes.
The objections have been taken from APC on the deposition issue.
I've only forgotten that you're a legal man. Okay, come and speak to us, but don't worry, off camera. Let's keep conversing off camera. So, you think that the PDP case has been properly?
It has been properly argued.
Yes.
Before the court, and the documents and support and against have all been tendered before the courts. So it's now left for the court to make a determination on the dates they have reserved. Okay. And there's no date yet. So that means they are going to take time to study.
Yeah, according to Oselo Kobaze, who is the campaign manager for the Obidati campaign, who just came out of the court, said that they have said before the 5th of November that judgment will be given.
Well, before the 5th of November?
Yes. Oh no, before the 5th of November. That's what he just said. So let's hope. So everyone, thank you very much for joining us. So that's the for me. Signing off now. Thanks, and we'll speak more of you. I'll speak to you guys in the evening when I get to my destination. Now I'm headed to the airport. Thank you. Bye for now.